Sri Jakampudi Raja, MLA and Chairman of the Andhra Pradesh State Kapu Welfare and Development Corporation, Dr. Jagruti Nageshwara, Srimati Jakampudi Vijaya Lakshmi, and other dignitaries attending the program. A very good evening to you all. It gives me immense pleasure to participate in today's program of inauguration of Dr. Y.S.R. Jakampudi Rammohan Rao Blood Center, established by Sri Jakampudi Rammohan Rao Foundation at Rajmandiram, East Godavari district, coinciding with the birth anniversary of former Chief Minister in United Andhra Pradesh, elect Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy. Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, popularly known as Y.S., was a charismatic mass leader who had carved a niche for himself in the political arena of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy was known for his dedication and allegiance towards the upliftment of the downtrodden people, as he strongly believed in serving the less privileged sections of the society. Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy took up Padayatra for 64 days that stretched 1500 kilometers from Chevela in Telangana to Ichapuram in Srikakulam district in the summer of 2003, that took him closer to the poor and rural people and all sections of the society. After taking oath as Chief Minister in 2004, Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy allotted a large chunk of state budgets to the agriculture sector, and his policies were always centered on the agriculture by giving benefit to small and marginal farmers. He implemented the Jalajapam project comprising of a number of irrigation projects like construction of new reservoirs and lift irrigation systems and canals to increase the area under irrigation within 5 years. As Chief Minister, Dr. Y.S.R. had designed and implemented several welfare programs to benefit the farmers and poorer sections of the society on a saturation mode, and he will always remain in the hearts of the people of both the Telugu states for his human approach and concern for the well-being of the people. It is befitting that the state government is celebrating the birth anniversary of Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy as Farmers' Day as a tribute to the true son of the soil. By carrying forward the legacy of Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy, the present government of Andhra Pradesh has been implementing several farmer-centric welfare programs such as PM Kisan, Y.S.R. Ritu Bharsha, setting up of Ritu Bharsha Kendras to provide quality seeds and fertilizers, agricultural implements, warehouse facilities, providing zero interest crop insurance to farmers under Y.S.R. Bima scheme, etc. These are a few of the welfare schemes being implemented for the benefit of the farmers, along with several other welfare schemes covering all sections of the society. Sri Jakampudi Rammohan Rao served as an MLA for 3 terms and also served as a Minister of Roads and Buildings and Minister of Excise during the period from 1989 to 2004. The age-old tradition of Manav Seva, Madhav Seva, which means service to mankind is service to God, had been the motto of both the Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar Reddy and Sri Jakampudi Rammohan Rao during that time. Their names are synonymous with the dedication in the service of the people and the society. To honor their commitment towards welfare of the people of the East Godavari region and to carry forward their legacy. Sri Jakampudi Raman Rao Foundation was established in February 2016. Since its establishment, the foundation has been helping people in the East Godavari region by providing health services, monetary assistance to needy people, as well as rendering help distressed people during natural calamity. I am glad to know that volunteers of SJRMR Foundation have provided service during the COVID-19 pandemic to thousands of patients by arranging oxygen cylinders, oxygen concentrators, distribution of PPE kits, medicine kits for patients in home isolation, free ambulance service, and conducting the last rites of unclaimed bodies of persons who died due to COVID-19. I am happy to learn that the foundation is planning to set up an orphanage at Rajanagaram in East Godavari district with a capacity to provide shelter to more than 50 children who became orphaned due to loss of both their parents by taking care of their education needs also. The gift of blood donation is gift of life, as there is no substitute to human blood. It is a fact that every 2 seconds someone in the country needs blood. Thalassemia patients require frequent blood transfusion. There is a need to have a reliable source of blood for the needy in every city. SJRMR Foundation has organized blood donation drive on several occasions in the recent past and collected blood from voluntary blood donors. I congratulate and compliment the members of the SJRM Foundation for their efforts to establish Dr. YSR Jakampudi Raman Rao Blood Center being launched today. I am honored to be a part of this noble cause that will have an impact on the thousands of people. I request all healthy persons to come forward and donate blood voluntarily and be part of this noble venture which will be boon to the needy people. Before concluding, I pay my humble tribute to late Dr. Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy, who was the architect behind the several people-centric welfare programs being implemented even to this day. Thank you all. Joy.